Question number 7, I believe, is assessing our ability to solve a system of linear equations and then use that result to help us find the value of the expression x squared plus y squared. We have several different options available to us as far as solving systems of linear equations. We have our substitution method, which is available to us, the elimination method, the graphing method, and the matrix method. When you look at this system that they have set up for us, it's x plus y equals 9. And then I'm going to rearrange this. I always want to have the variables in the same order, so it's a negative x plus y equals 7. Don't forget that when you start moving things around, it's always the sign in front of the number that tells you what it is. It's a positive y. It's a negative x. So once I rewrite them in this, I think the method of choice that I would recommend for this is the elimination method, because right away, if we take and add both of these equations together, both sides, left and right side, we're going to eliminate our x values. So an x plus a negative x is 0 x's. So the x's are eliminated. You have a y plus a y, or 2y, and a 9 plus 7, which is 16. So we divide both sides by 2 to solve it for y, and y is equal to 8. So the elimination method works very quickly to figure out what our value for y is. After we know what our value of y is, then we go back up into either one of our original equations. I'm going to prefer to work with the x plus y equals 9. That's my choice to use that. Again, I'm going to substitute what I know that y is equal to. We just got done stating that y had to equal an 8. So that means if I solve this for x, x would have to equal a, subtract 8 from both sides, a 1. So x is a 1. So now I know that x is a 1 and that y is equal to 8, and they want us to evaluate this expression, x squared plus y squared. So x squared plus y squared is the expression we're supposed to evaluate. So we put a 1 in for x and squared. We put an 8 in for y and squared. So we got 1 plus 64. Our expression has a value of 65. And 65 is choice E. So there are other ways of doing this problem. Again, we're trying to be efficient with our time because of our test. Guessing and testing takes us quite a while. If you were going to put in your matrix equations, that would be very time consuming. Graphing would be time consuming. Substitution would have worked just fine. Just a plug on this on substitution. Either of these would have been good candidates because both the x's and y's on all 4 of those variables have a coefficient of 1 or negative 1, which makes substitution easy. But I utilized the elimination method. It looked like the clearest and the fastest way to do that. So different strategies. Pick and choose the ones you think is going to work best and most efficiently for you.